What is up, guys? So it's Friday and I'm dressed in my overalls, and you can see Judas is still behind me. But to go finish that up, that is going to get its own video. But for now, I just thought I'd make a vlog. All right, so something I've been meaning to put out this vlog for the better part of the week, but so the reason I did not put out this vlog is the same reason I'm making this vlog, as to basically, I think I'm losing interest in cars. I may be going through a phase, but I think I'm just about, I don't know, something really different or something dramatic has happened. But I have absolutely no motivation to keep wrenching on this guy behind me. So I don't know. I've just fallen in love with motorcycles. I think it's the best thing that I never knew that I wanted to do. So I don't know. So I don't know. Are there any racers? Do I have any subscribers? I know I have one or two which I speak to regularly. Um, yeah. So the thing about the motorcycling is that every single time I get some free time, I just decide to go ride, and I don't work on the car. And even now, I have absolutely no interest in finishing the car. I mean, if it were not for Judas that I really want to put it up, and I really need a car to drive, because yeah, so I pretty much sold the Honda. The Honda has been sold for a few months now. I just haven't gotten around to mention it in a video. And the Pulsar as well, I sold that last 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, give or take. So yeah, so I'm down to, I guess, just the Pulse, the Judas, the BMW, my wife's car, well, our car, but she used it more than me, and the bike. But lately I've just been really wanting to do a drag bike. Yeah, so off the bat, these things are already quick and they're a lot cheaper, I guess, to go racing, to maintain and to make faster, as opposed to the cars. The cars cost an arm and a leg. Hey, here comes somebody with their enormous pumpkin. That pumpkin should just slip from you. It is. Yeah, so my wife has an enormous pumpkin in her hand. So, oh, you're going to sell the pumpkin tomorrow? Anyway, that's my vlog about me, not about your pumpkin. Yeah, so that's the thing. And I don't know, I enjoy the challenges of the motorcycling a lot more. So I started off just really wanting a bike, just as another hobby. But now I've really grown into actually challenging myself with the motorcycle to drag race it. The hardest part of the drag racing is the launch. And I think I think I'm doing pretty good for a stock wheelbase bike. Pretty much only been riding for a little under 2 months. Been on the track about 3 times, and I don't want to spoil it because I intend on making another video tomorrow about that very same subject. But yesterday I took the bike to the track. Doodles! Stop it! I'm recording a vlog. Dogs. Yeah, so yesterday I took the bike to the track, my bike with my draggy, and my previous best was a 12.7 at 116 miles an hour in the quarter. That translates to about, I think it was at 8.1 at 94 miles an hour in the eighth. And so I was racing against the wind, so I had a headwind. And I brought another friend who's been riding for a few years, and he had a newer bike. So I was under the impression that my bike should have been running somewhere in the low 11s, and something was wrong with it. So I brought him there with his pretty much a fresh 2014 or 2017 bike. It's a Kawasaki ZX6, and he could not beat my times. So maybe he was out of practice or something. So I guess maybe the headwind really does slow down our bikes a lot more. I mean, we intend on taking it back to test it out tomorrow, God willing, or Sunday, and the video should be out maybe a day or two after that. But yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. I have no motivation to be working on Judas. I get under the house, I want to work on it, and then I find myself just the bike is right next to it, so I get out, dressed up like this, I go back up inside, I change my clothes, and I go riding. I enjoy motorcycles a lot more than cars. Maybe I'm just burnt out. Maybe I'm just going for a phase. I don't know, but I honestly, right now, I'm looking to. Wife is not there. I may pick up a second bike. I may use this one just for the track. I may try to just do a lot of the 600 for now. We don't have the luxury of just having bikes pop up at really good deals because we're on a small island. I may look to maybe in the future, a year or two, if I get tired of the 600, move to 1,000. But for now, I think I am going to keep the 600. I do have a few things planned on it. For it, sorry. So it should be interesting. So the channel may just change a little bit. You may see less car content, maybe not. But I do intend on finishing Judas. It had a series of other issues which I will cover in its own rightful video. But for now, I don't know. I may be done with cars for a while anyways. So quick vlog. Let me guys know what you think. Am I insane? Am I just going for a phase? Am I going for a midlife crisis? Maybe. I don't know, but short vlog, gonna try to upload it right away. So let me guys know. Leave it down in the comment, leave a like, subscribe, and all of that good stuff that you're supposed to tell people on YouTube. And I'll catch you guys later.